yake muri asante sana ni uri amuthiite na mbere guikarania na ithuĩ kuri inyuothe muratwandikira na kwaraniria na ithuĩ na njira ya SMS, njira ya Twitter na Facebook. Tukauga ni ngatho nyingi muno ni tuko tugithoma mamwe ma mawoni manyu na uria murenda ukirora mwena ucio waku kana vision-ini yo kwi mwena wa pipeline kuria andu meyumiritie muno metereire kunyita ugeni President Uhuru Kenyatta na deputy wake niwe William Ruto kuria mwena wa pipeline. President ne okoro akiuma mwena ucio nyigegire Jogoo Road athiete City Stadium, kuma City Stadium agerere Marigiti athiete ugo ginya Kencom haria ekurugama akiaragiria andu okuria athia acoke kindu thainyanya na kuota ne okoro agicokia maratathi make kuria IEBC kuria KICC. Oturia murona hau iguru ni mundu gwitwo Nyaga na atene okoro kineana ucio niwe running mate wake mwanake munyinyi muno wa miaka 40 niwe running Mubaruya niwe okoro muno ketugwe mweno ucio ngi Mucoki niwe wikuo kuria KICC agitwire ni atia kurathie na mbere Mucoki.
Muteti witwo Njugu Nyaga ni hindi ararorerwo maratathi make ririkani yakinyite guku muthenya wa ira uguona agithuthurio maratathi make ndanakorwo kinina ihinda inene muno riu haria arorete ni metha iria gukorwo gicemania na commissioners mugwanja matogoretio ni chairman wa Wafula Chebukati akirorerwo kana maratathi make ni arahingirie matanya maria areritwo korwo kihingia muthenya wa ira ni arokete na sheki ya muigana wa shilingi 250 handu ha muigana wa shilingi 2000 na kamiti ya IEBC rauga ndigio ya sheki yo na thutha-ini icoke mucokerie mbeca iria cia iguru maramwirire acoke nayo oke muthenya wa umuthi ari na sheki iria jiganiru makiria uguo muhuraniri wake Moses Waswa onake ndari na certificate ya mitugo mega kana good conduct na tugithikiririe chairman tuigue uri ukoro kimwira muthenya wa umuthi.
Now the three things you are to do: the of conduct for your running mate has it now been signed? This one. Okay. The physical location of the officers? Okay. And now we have your check properly done for 20,000.
Just a month.
Okay, so we shall proceed to give you a receipt. I think you can use the other 50,000 for your campaign.
I need it. You know I'm not an issue. So this is very helpful.
Sure. So you give us some time to process the receipt.
The bus manager they allowed us to come behind the back.
That's good.
Jona ni hindi ya thuthurio maratathi make ni chairman wa Wafula Chebukati mararorerwo ihinda ria muthia muthenya wira ni arari guku na ni maundu meritu marari na gathina hari certificate ya good conduct iria muhuraniri wake ni Moses Waswa atarari nayo muthenya wa ira na sheki yake ararehete ya muigana wa shilingi 250 muthenya wa muthi ni agicoka ni ginina nini kuri uguo ni ya muigana wa shilingi 250 nicio mbeca iria irendekana ni kamiti ya IEBC hari aria mahonera giturwa kia president guku bururi-ini ni anengera na sheki na akinegera na certificate yo ya mitugo miega kana niyo certificate of good conduct riu magietereire makihitokio ni commissioners aya ririkana commissioners aya othe mugwaja no nginya makoro magithuthuria maratathi macio mari mothe na othe maiganira na metikiranirie mari hamwe ati maratathi ni mega riu urio kunengera na maratathi macio no kuhitukio kuma hau akinyuki ikinya ria kwanjia kambeini ciake tukierekeire githurano kia mweri wa kanana tariki 8 tugetereire ndumiriri ya chairman Wafula Chebukati noe oheanaga ndumiriri ya muthia ya kana mundu oro wothe urahurania gituro kia president guku bururi-ini ni etikirio kana ni ahitukio ni IBC gukorwo akihiranira igitirwa kiu tariki 8 mweri wa kanana Njunyaga aroneka tarakeni ni uria maundu marari haha no nginya tweterere ndumiriri ya muthia ya chairman Wafula Chebukati ucio no wina uge wa muthia kuri itanya ria kiuteti ria Njunyaga guku bururi-ini Wafula Chebukati no chairman wa IBC no wina uhoro wa ma iguru ria ikinya riria megukinyukia kuma haha ririkana metagio maratathi kana maundu matiganete no nginya eri manegirane degree ciao no nginya eri manegirane certificates ya good conduct na cia kuonania mitugo miega no nginya eri makoro meyandikithite ata aikia akura no nginya eri monanie maciarirwo guku bururi wa Kenya no nginya eri makoro matarugamirire wofici oro yothe ya utungata wa muingi guku bururi-ini tiga wofici ya president wofici ya munini wa president na wofici ya mubunge guku bururi-ini ici no cio ofici iria IBC yetikiritie mundu akorwo anyitirire angikorwo ni arethana na giturwa kia president muthenya umwe Njunyaga ni akinengera na maratathi make mothe na kuringana uria akianiria na missioners haha mireko ironeka iri mothio-ini mao Njunyaga we mwene na commissioners cira akionia ta maundu magithie wega muthenya wa umuthe no ririkana ni ario ya muthia iri na chairman Wafula Chebukati uguo tutigie kumenyithia kiria kana ukihitukio kana ni etikirio ni IBC Wafula Chebukati ni ukorwo agutuhe horo makiria iguru ria ndeto yo kuma hayu kabeni ni kwajiriria thima na irakiajiririe muthenya wa ira na ikuru igiri na mbere ginya tariki 5 mweri wa kanana thutha wa Njunyaga gwikiria guku ari agimekuru murumirira ni Cyrus Jirongo ni akinyitie guku na hari ungi wikeneta Erastus Nyamera ona akinyitie guku ari muteti kiube nigetha na magithuthurio kana marorerwo maratathi mao Erastus Nyamera ni gutumenyithiti hau kafareda ikashigano na hituku tobe tudikiri chairman tuigwe kana Njunyaga ni ahitukio
printed out sample ballot paper. This is how it will look like, but that's for the candidates cleared so far. So you will sign against your name.
This one?
Yes, right, I'll sign at the end.
Next to him?
Yes, just here in this box, yeah.
Okay,
yeah. Yeah.
Check on the symbol. Okay. Check your symbol.
And this receipt for your check.
Your check.
Yeah, 200. So, ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention. I, Wanyonyi Wafula Chebukati, Chairman of IBC, and also National Returning Officer for Presidential Elections, I hereby confirm and certify that Joseph Vika Nyaka, presidential aspirant, and Moses Wasua Marango, running mate, have qualified to the position of president and deputy president as running mates for the presidential election to be held on 8th of August this year. I want to congratulate you for coming up to stand. It's a sign of democracy in this country, and especially as an independent. We sent you back yesterday to have your running mate sign a code of conduct. Now, the significance is that it's important to follow what's in the code of conduct. As a commission, we shall be monitoring with other agencies, and we also have our own code of conduct enforcement committee. So we expect you to maintain peace in your campaigns, and that there are consequences to breaching the code of conduct. So as you go out there, campaign peacefully. You are free to campaign anywhere in Kenya. And once again, I wish you the very best. Campaign started yesterday until the 5th of August, midnight. So that's the period of campaigns. And so best of luck, and campaign peacefully. I want to give you, I'll just remind you that you should give us your campaign schedule so that we can harmonize with the other candidates. And this juncture, I want to present a certificate to you, which allows you to proceed and campaign. So that's yours? Yes. I would perhaps give you a moment to say a word, a minute.
If you allow me.
Yes. Yes, you talk to Kenyans are watching you.
I'm delighted on behalf of my running mate Moses Marango and myself and the many millions of supporters out there who will be voting for me. I'm delighted that finally we have a certificate from the IEBC which allows us to proceed with the campaign. As one who participated for 9 months at Bomas of Kenya, where we fought very hard for a category called independent to be introduced, to give Kenyans a chance to participate freely without restrictions of party structures. I am a very happy man, and I wish to confirm that Moses Marango, 40 years old, not yet, and I will behave, will do, and will ensure there's peaceful campaign during the course of the next few days as we campaign in this country. In my particular case, as you know, I've been at this game for a very long time. In fact, by the time I retired the other day, I was the most experienced civil servant in the Republic of Kenya in terms of working. So we know what is required. The public sector does a wonderful job, and I have great respect for the civil servants, public servants who work a lot, have produced many documents. All we need to do is to extract those documents, and I know where they are kept, which previously have been in administration, so that we can implement them. It's as simple as that. Then improve on the things as they did. Thank you very much. God bless you. That certificate, hii ndio certificate ambayo tumepatiwa saa hii, na hii tumeambiwa kwamba we must behave. Hataki pia tunapigana na watu, tukienda mikutano itakuwa peaceful, na sisi tutaweza kuambia kwamba sisi tuna historia ya kuwa peaceful people. Ndio sababu nimechagua kijana 40 years old kutoka Bungoma County awe running mate wangu. Amekuwa student leader, amefanya kazi, amesomea Kenya, akamaliza masomo ya Kenya, akaenda Amerika akamaliza huko, na sasa tutakuwa na yeye for the next few days and into the future. Because old people like myself owe it to the next generation to give them a chance to be tutored by the best. He has got the best mwalimu. Thank you very much for Kenya.
So we are now free to go and campaign.
Joe Nyaga ni etikiri kana ni anegero maratathi make ni commission ya ithurano mihakanio IBC nigetha akorogeri na mbere na kuhuranira gituro kia president guku bururi-ini riu kiria giagitigara thutha wake kunegero maratathi macio ni kwambika thiini wa rugendo rwake rwa campaign nginya tariki 8 mweri wa kanana akionekana ni ekuyukia kana ni ekuyukia utongoria hindi yo ya tariki 8 mweri wa kanana ari hamwe na munini wake woikane ta Moses Waswa agitumenyerie uria goikaire.
What's your take after being turned away yesterday?
I told you yesterday, I think in the excitement of being ready, we made a small mistake that we made yesterday, and I'm lucky and I thank God it was on a Sunday and there was an extra day today to do the corrections. I've now presented my papers, and both my running mate Nelson Barango and myself are now formally cleared. We've also been told to keep peace, because you know we went through 2007-2008 crisis. I promised the Kenyans that I will run a peaceful campaign. I appeal to all candidates who will be participating in the forthcoming elections to run peaceful elections. Very often it is not the leaders who cause problems, it is our supporters. I also want to especially want to our supporters, please let's run a peaceful campaign so that the world will know Kenya is a civilized country. Kenya knows what democracy is all about. After all, we are one of the few countries in the third world who have independent candidates such as myself. So, I promise you a peaceful campaign. I will criticize where necessary my colleagues. I will support my colleagues where necessary. And because I've been there, I've been in government. My late father was in government. I have the advantage of knowing much more than most people, which is a very big advantage. So I know where the documents that need to be implemented are hidden. I know where they are lying with the shelves. All I have to do is to simply pull them out. And with the public sector that we have, work with them and the cabinet that we put together. As I've said before, the advantage of being a president who is independent, every community of Kenya will be represented by government, irrespective of the party and the corner of Kenya they come from.
So what is your first rally campaign run?
We are now going, we've just given in our first, the report of our scheduled meetings, campaigns, and we hope to start a little later this week after a few administrative things that obviously after this we need to do. And you'll see us out there. We'll be all over the place. We know Kenya. There's no corner of Kenya I don't know. In my particular case, I have a rather unfair disadvantage in that having been Minister for Cooperatives, there's no corner of Kenya that I don't know. And our friends who are cooperatives all over the country who are actually volunteering for free to help their former minister, because we worked very closely with them and they are very happy that their then minister is about to become their president. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Well, you said that you will support other candidates. What exactly do you mean?
I mean, there are areas, because President Uhuru Kenyatta, Prime Minister Raila are my friends. We've worked together. We have many areas of agreement, but we have also areas of disagreement. That's what I mean. I will, where they say the right things, I do the right, I will support, because I'm a Kenyan, I'm a nationalist. You don't criticize for the sake of it. I'm a mature politician, I'm a mature public servant. It would be unfair of me, therefore, to criticize for the sake of it. But you also, I'm sure, expect me to say the right things, however tough, however unfavorable they were. Thank you very much.
What do you tell those who call you an underdog?
God works in a mysterious way. He's want us to perform. That's a hymn we used to sing in school. When God is on your side, He can do miracles. And could be God is waiting to show Kenyans that He still exists and He performs miracles. I'm very confident I am the next president. of this republic, and a very capable one, a very experienced one. Hata ukiniangalia, you can see material for President of the Republic of Kenya, because of experience and the years have been molded, prepared, trained. Nobody has my training among the group that is campaigning. That is my qualification, but I'm committed to serving the Kenyans as you saw me serve them in the last few years. I think that's enough. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Nimona niligiturwa kia o president niwe Joseph Nyaga nyakinegiro matari makeni commissioner igiro na mekani IEBC ukirege gitigarona kihariwe nukoro kihonera giturwa kia o president guku rurine
taka na makaratasi ambao tulikuwa tumekosea jana yale tumeyamaliza sasa, ndio sababu tumepatiwa certificate. Tumefurahi sana. Unajua kukosa kitu kama hicho unaweza pata hata kulala, wakati mwingine unaweza ogopa, lakini Mungu yuko. Tumeleta makaratasi na tumemaliza. Sasa tumepatiwa ruhusa ya kwenda huko tufanye campaign, na wametuambia tufanye campaign ya amani. Hata kusikia kwamba sisi ndio viongozi ambao wanaleta vita kati ya supporters wetu. Na mimi kama mtu ambaye amekuwa kwa serikali miaka hii yote, nataka kuambia Kenya ya kwamba campaign yangu na my young running mate 40-year-old from Bungoma, Moses Marangu, very qualified gentleman, we will do our best ili wa Kenya for the first time in a long time wapate campaign ambayo tunaweza kusema ni campaign ambayo imeendelea vizuri.
Ni mundu gwitwo Joe Nyaga ni acokia maratathi make na ni metikirwo mena running mate wake wa miaka 40 na rauga uguo muno ati ni mundu wa miaka wa mirongo ina na ni magicokia maratathi mao, na maratathi mao ni metikirika muthenya wa ira ni mareretwo magakiroka muthenya wa muthi tondu wa mbere certificate of good conduct ya running mate wake ndirari njega kana drake communicate wega na kindu gwetwo sheki marathiro no ko mandikite sheki ya ciringi 200 marandika sheki ya 250 koguo ni muthi ni magicokia maratathi ni metikirika. Next ni mundu gwetwo Cyrus Jirongo na mwalimu waku mundu gwetwo Michael Wainaina nio meukorwo magicokia maratathi mao, nao tukionekana hihi ni meagĩtĩkĩrĩkĩte. Mundu gwetwo Raila Odinga wa mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro wa NASA na nacokirie maratathi make, Abduba Dida Ekuru Okot na rĩu Joe Nyaga acio othe rĩu nĩ marĩkĩtie gũgĩtĩkĩrĩka. President Uhuru Kenyatta nake nĩ ukorwo agĩcokia maratathi make thaa 8 na kuota, na ithuĩ no tũgĩkorwo tũgĩkũrehera tabarĩreo na ũhoro ũcio njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe. Ũngĩrora harĩa televisheni-inĩ yaku rĩu nĩ mwarimu wa njamba ya wĩra nĩwe rĩu ũracokia maratathi make harĩa mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Michael Wainaina mena running mate wake. Reka tũigue nakuo kũrĩa gũgĩikarĩte kana Wainaina na indo ciothe iria ciagĩrĩire. Anyway, nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩaria nao tũgĩcoka kũu no mbica nĩ cigũgĩkorwo cikĩrĩ o hau.
No akĩrwo mwarimu wakwa ndarĩ na thuti.
Mwarimu waku ngwĩciria nĩ mũndũ endete kitenge mũno nĩguo ndona.
Endete kitenge
thiĩ kana nĩguo gwathiaga na mũcukuru
hĩndĩ ohagĩra mũbuto high
kũrĩa third floor
ndwakĩrĩ fourth floor tondu akire mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Oh, okay.
Rĩu nĩona kata tũramũira ũguo nĩ atũkũhaga na njĩra nene mũno.
Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na ndereti itũ mũthenya ũmũthĩ, na bethe andũ aingĩ mũno nĩ makenetio nĩ ndereti ĩno, makauga atĩ nĩ tũramahe ũhoro ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire cararũkũ. Wa mbere Professor no ageithio mũno nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Mũrega Njoroge, akauga atĩ nĩ akenetio nĩ mawoni mega maraheanwo nĩ mwarimu wake. Akauga
ndageithĩka mũno bwana Njoroge.
Asante sana. Mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Lakolika Ramogo kana Derito akauga atĩ what you are doing at Kimure is wonderful. Sober minds, credible discussions, great insights, great journalism. Asante sana. Na tukiaria horo wa great journalism le hihi dikana wewe murutani uria unoraga andu thiini wa university na ugakirutana undu wigie journalism ni urona hihi ta media haria kinyete thiini wa bururi uyu twi tayari ugiturora wewe mwalimu na ugituiga kabiro-ini gaku ri ni urona hihi ta tuiganite
ni wega muno bwana Jega undu uria wiho ni ati hena maundu mathiite na mbere journalism kana wandiki ni ucenjetie kwa njira nguhi tondu tene ni wamenya turatura na kindu gitagwo journalism na journalism kuga twathuthuria uhoro tumenyete ni uriku tukau process ni kuthondeka ugacoka tukau present togwe ku present aga news hwaini no rudini weho ni ati hageti undu ungi ati media kiugo media nigicenjetie ukongererwo maundu mangi kwigana nginya social media koguo tukoima journalism tugoka uhoro wa media na media ni a very broad term koguo
the new media
ni kuturari uhoro wa new media, social media na other forms of media na riu koguo mundu uri ora practice journalism kana ageria ara masquerade aretwa journalist ati mundu uthomeire
ati ndahingura haha ndona Facebook
wahingura
mundu ani arandika riu agecira ni mwandiki wa mohoro
hau niho hakwite mburithatha tondu andu ayo othe marandika maundu maya matire na kindu kia bata muno twetaga thiini wa journalism the gatekeeping process kuti mundu ararora undu uyu
we no gutuhuka no kurunda ndeto
ukahura ugatemania ndeto haha
karuma waigajo karuma mheshimiwa karuma jego karuma
ni tondu riu outlay capital outlay ya kwanjiriria media yaku ni okire thi muno riu no imagine tene kurako na gatheti Daily Nation Standard na rigi na mundu nigetha kwanjiriria gatheti icio arenda ka mbeca nyingi muno no riu ona thimu yaku no wanjiririe gatheti nda mohoro na riu kiu ni kindu kia mwanya muno na gitienjetie maundu maingi muno taru turaiga ati campaign ino ego cidanwo kana hotanwo thiini wa social media tondu ni ukiona kwina nyamu iretwo WhatsApp na Telegram na ona taru no kuona kundu kwingine kwa jirio groups cia WhatsApp constituency level, ward level, governor ino maundu maingi na kugu ndu maundu macio mereka atia na ndoro marandika hau uguo ri ni citizen ni nawe no gutiri mundu ureka mchujo citizen journalism to ti mundu ureka gatekeeping kurora uhoro ucio nigetha tukie uhoro ucio kani wa maheri no ni wekire wekate the other thing ni ati maundu mundu oigite tene maracoka maka present makoneka tari maraigirwo ira
ta university ya Nairobi kwina hindi arutwo mahuritwo tene ndiukane andu no ru ukona ati tamarehwo umuthi ugeciria ati
bicio ni arehwo riu ningi ukanjirie kuona hala kaikurarwo ningi muthenya wa ira koguo ucio ni undu dangerous muno tondu uhoro ucio tene thiini wa processing ya journalism wakorwo wikitwo background contextualization background of the story riu gutiri uguo koguo maundu macio magako macenjetie maundu maingi muno
ndikane gutinya maiko he handu ndirae na athuri acio aratakwa Professor Dominic Mwenja Daktari Stephen Gashia na Daktari Paul Kipchona ndamuria ni muthikagiriria radio uko akauga aca nda kuigwa music agake ni onaga mohoro aca ndamuria niki ajira tondu inyue ni mwatwikire lazy ati uratonya thiini wa Facebook thiini wa internet ukauta maundu matari authentic maundu matari empirical no gacoka ukegeta gitiini ati maundu macio uroiga ati na maundu makihoto ugicompare kuma kuria tumite na haria turi ungituiga ha na hihi oho kana ni twithagatagite kuigana uhoro wa kurugamirira kunyafara na kuheana uhoro wigie githurano tutari thiini wake
professional journalism ni afata muno tondu koragwo ihutanitie na democracy haha kwa haha
are we for the state
ithu ni bitwa ko turi for the state of the twagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo no
tũtikoragwo
na no meke na nĩkĩ nĩ tondũ wa maũndũ macio ndagweta macenjetie na gũkorwo atĩ journalist kana media industry na nĩ yatuĩka commercialized pero Gonta Nation kana gatheti rĩngĩ igũkĩgweta nation tondũ nĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe gwetwo nĩ ngerekano no gathi wakora
ketogere standard ketogere people kana getwo na Nairobi ciothe andũ cia Roma gathi ukona andũ arĩa mara practice journalism kũrĩa nĩ andũ macagũrĩtwo ti atĩ nĩ tondũ nĩ maramenya mũno no tondũ nĩ athaka nĩ kĩrorerwo waigua hau hena thĩna socialite
rĩu koguo ta mũthuri tawe no korwo marakorwo ũguo makaiga rĩu ũrĩa rĩ ta mwaka ũroka no ona ndũkinyĩtie mĩaka 40 rĩu koguo ũgĩetha mũndũ journalist wĩna experience seasoned journalist wa mĩaka 55 wa marika maitũ mũndũ ũcio nĩ ũkũmwaga Kenya journalism
tarũ ngũria gũtinia hanini rĩ thiĩ kũndũ ta US coke thiĩ England coke thiĩ mabũrũri marĩa mangĩ ũkoraga tarũ news anchors arĩa mekũu nĩ andũ kĩndĩrĩkwo athuri a tene atumia tene no gũkũ turona rĩu turenda kuoya aya njigua kĩmeta socialites
atĩ gũkũ kũroyo rika rĩa ngobo-inĩ umire thukuru ira namba igĩrĩ nĩ socialites atĩ ũrĩa ekwenyoka nĩ ekwenyoka mũndũ agĩthiĩ ũguo nĩarenyoka kwenyoka kũu nĩkuo atĩ kũroragwo tondũ hihi nĩakũhota kwendia
ona kwĩ mũndũ njĩra kũigua mĩta the battle of the hips ĩkuguo
atĩ arũme makiona mũbira kwĩna kũnderagwo atĩ nĩ maigaga TV magaikaria kura gũkinya mohoro magĩthomwo nĩ ajenga maroro makauga acha eheria ũyũ ti mwega atĩ wona nginya arũme nĩ mararora tondũ wa andũ arĩa maronania mohoro wĩna honge wega ũyũ nĩ arenyũka wegega ũyũ nake nĩgũrageria kuga no bottom line kana ũndũ wa bata mũno nĩ kũmenya atĩ journalism tutana journalism njega tutigĩgĩa na democracy njega tondũ journalism nĩ wagĩrĩirwo kũmũrĩka andũ aya maratũtongoria ĩgatwĩra atĩrĩrĩ andũ aya nĩ mareka maũndũ kũringana na ũrĩa matũrire megwĩka kana kũringana na ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire kana kũringana na constitution no rĩu angĩkorwo mũndũ na ndoĩ constitution nĩ ndũ tarĩa mĩthoma no wĩ harĩa nĩ ũreka atĩa ũrakũhe ũhoro wĩigua rĩu ũhoro ũcio na credibility na rĩu ũhoro ũcio nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo kũbua noguo rĩ nĩkĩo kĩratũma aigue nginya mũthuri ta ũcio mararagia nake aroiga ona nditindangĩrora news tondũ rĩu aragĩthomithio kĩ nĩ tondũ nĩwamenya component ĩmwe ya journalism nĩ gũthomithania information education na entertain no rĩu of the three na information
entertainment nĩwe take over alright
entertainment
maũndũ mangĩ ma information na education makagwĩka atĩa gwĩkĩrĩrwo ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire
koguo ndĩrona ta tũkinyĩte harĩa hagĩrĩire atĩ no tũhote kũrehe ithurano ici ciĩ credible wega mũno
teke tuge twĩna andũ mathomete journalism wega na andũ quite competent no thĩna nĩ atĩrĩrĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũreka atĩa ũramathikĩrĩria tondũ credibility ya journalism nĩ yandamainirwo nĩ maũndũ
are we credible ũgĩtũrora ũguo ĩtondũ kĩrĩ mũrutani ũgĩtũrora ũguo
reke njuge atĩrĩrĩ mwĩna capacity mũngĩenda gũthomithia andũ
mũngĩenda gũtuĩka
mũngĩenda kũruta wĩra kũringana na ũrĩa wagĩrĩire mwĩna capacity no rĩu rĩ capacity yanyu nĩratuĩka undermined nĩ kũringana na changes iria ciĩkĩte thĩinĩ wa journalism cikuruhanĩtio na kĩrĩa twĩtaga commercialization yani kwenda gũthondeka
ũhoro wa wonjoria
ũkaingĩra mũno na rĩu ĩno ũgathũkia journalism tondũ journalism gũkorwo yeganĩtio na ũhoro wĩtĩtaga public interest remits
na rĩngĩ tũgũthiĩ kũrĩa athuri maingĩ hena kaũndũ kangĩ ndĩrona athuri acio makĩnjĩra atĩ journalism na media no ũhoro ũmemerekia atĩ nĩ ũvaranĩtwo na comedy atĩ tondũ mũndũ nĩ athekagia andũ na ũgacoka gwatuĩka atĩ wona mũndũ akwarĩ psychopath mũndũ potentially mad atĩ nĩ agũtuĩka atĩ faida nene ko itonya nginya thĩinĩ wa airwaves
na rĩu
ũcio nĩ ũhoro ũrekĩka
kĩu nĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe gĩagĩrĩirwo nĩ gũtũmakia mũno tondũ journalism nĩ ku conflict gwitagwo tena Gikuyu ego gukuruhanio na comedy na trade gingi ego gutomakia muno na trade no niatiriri andu aya comedians ni macoka makaingira politics ariko buga tutwata gukorwo tugethekaga muno
matuko mutinia hanini na nitugucoka no kumurika turamurika na ringi ni tuthiaga na ithuĩ tukemurika itondu giki ni kimuri ni tugicoka ri ni tugukorwo mugitwira uria murona kuhana no reke twambe tuigue mundu gwitwo Wainaina ndona ta negerwo certificate mahurite makovi hau muno.
You're running as an independent candidate. I want to congratulate you for the courage to take the step. You have signed a code of conduct, both you and your running mate. It's important that you will go through the contents. They have consequences. You must campaign peacefully. You are free to campaign anywhere in Kenya. And the commission will not hesitate to take an action against you or your supporters if they misbehave. Your team, if they misbehave in terms of the breaking the electoral code of conduct. I also want to inform you that the election period is on until 5th of August midnight. So you campaign within that period. And once again, I want to congratulate you and wish you the very best. We expect you to give us your campaign schedule so that we can harmonize it with the other candidates. This is the receipt for the check you have paid, and I want now to present your certificate of nomination. Thank you. I would also want to give you 1 minute just to say a word, as we have done with the other candidates. Yes, just 1 minute. Yeah.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to present our papers to the IEBC. I think that the process has gone pretty well, and we appreciate that you're doing a difficult job under less than ideal circumstances. We are in agreement with you that we should have peaceful campaigns. Peaceful campaigns start with a peaceful process and a peaceful purpose. And as you can see, for us, we do believe that the purpose should be inclusive and the process should be inclusive, and that is why we have brought our women folk with us. My running mate is a lady, and one supporter is a lady. And the point is that if we have an inclusive process, there is no reason why we shouldn't have a peaceful process. And therefore, you can rest assured that for us, the process and the purpose is anchored in the belief that inclusiveness is the beginning of peaceful elections. We wish you well as you continue with this process. I think it is a difficult process, and honestly, I do believe it's a thankless one. Do your job as per the law. We will support you, and we wish you all the best. We know that this is a big task for you, and as players, you can count on us to cooperate and to support you. Thank you.
Omwa ahuraniri agituro kyo president ali mutete kyoboyo keneta Professor Michael Wainaina ali hamona
the sample of the ballot paper, the final proof will be read when all candidates are read when all candidates are. We have gone through all the hearings. Look at it and look at it, and that's how it will appear in the final.
Umwe maundu maria mangi marathuthurio guku ni kamiti ya IBC ni kana muhoraniri Gĩturwa ni etikira ati ritwa riake na maundu make mothe uria mahana niguo magakorwo iratathi-ini ria gucabithio kana maratathi-ini ma gĩthurano hindi ya gĩthurano kinene gĩa tarĩki 8 mweri wa kanana. Na o muteti ni arekira kirore ĩrĩ njĩra ya kuonania ni etikaniria na maundu maria mothe anengera na kuri kamiti ya IBC nigetha thutha ũcio maratathi ma gĩcabithio hangĩgakorwo na thĩna na rũri rwa kĩama gĩake kana ritwa ni akorwo agitetia kamiti ya IBC thutha wa gũgĩkorwo na ũiguanĩri ati maundu maria mothe anengera na gũkũ ni mama na nimo magakorwo kana magakorwo maikaire uria amanengerana kuri kamiti ino ya ithurano mihakano yo IEBC. Professor Michael Inaina riu nake ari hamwe na muhoraniri wake ukeneta Miriam Mutuo nake riu ni menietikirio ni commission ya IEBC akorwo akironera gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa president guku bũrũri-inĩ. Na hii ntuko tugirikiria maoni make iguru ria gikino giake kana marakara make thutha ake gukinengerwo maratathi-ini IEBC.
Washawishi wa Kenya kuweza kupigia kura.
Hisia ni kwamba process imeanza leo na imekuwa ni safari kubwa, na kama ujuavyo kuna watu wengi waliokuwa wametoa interest, express interest. Kwa hivyo safari ni ndefu na leo tunafuraha kwamba tumefika hapa na tumepewa nafasi ya kuongea na wananchi na kuambia kwamba mwamko mpya, Kenya mpya inawezekana, lakini wao ndio wenye kura. Na sasa vile IEBC imesema tuanze maneno ya campaign, wasikize sera, wasikize maono, na tarehe 8 wao ndio wataamua.
Tunangojea kampeni, mtakuwa mkipiga kampeni kuanzia wapi, rally wapi?
Tutakuwa tukipiga kampeni Kenya yote, na kama mwenyekiti alivyosema,
ushini muhoraniri Gĩturwa kĩa president Professor Michael Inaina ni anegera na maratathi make kwa IEBC rikana tobete hema guko thiini wa nyumba ya micemania ya KICC ntuko tugithi na mbere na gukumenyithia uria maundu maikaire aria angi megũkorwo makinengera na maratathi mao ni tugukumenyithia thina mbere na guikana ithi kwa hinda riri gucokia studio kuri Michael Jega na Jaba ya wira.
Asante sana. Tunashokia gatho muno mwana wa pipeline turona musafara no ajiririe kuingira kahora nado nimeyumiretie okweyumiria pio no turero mugathe president eguthie imwe kwemwe nginya handu hetagwo Donholm
o kuria na samararira
kana riu kugu dekurugama pipeline musafara ucio guthie uthiete straight on no kuhitukira miene yo no musafara wake guthie straight on nginya kundu gwicitwo Donholm kuu nikuo ekurugama aririe andu o turia tuona ni tuona ati Michael Inaina nake ni ahitukio na ni akiheo maratathi make na running mate wake kugu nake riu ni kwiyumiria tore kugete na running mate wake ne kugete hau kabere ati o megukorwo magi campaign muno kundu gwethetwo social media tondu marenda kurora jambaji no niho gwenda njuke njuri atiriri JM mukirorera ri murona mundu ni okana ni acokia maratathi make na tariu uria tuonire Juma acokirie maratathi onero heindo itariho ona dana appeal no kuma umire athiete hihi kale ultimate ya haria marenda gukinya mundu acoka agatiganirio horo ucio
aigea neguo tondu process ya ugutuikati ni renda kuhurana na unene wa bururi ina pride thiini wayo kuria andu marenda go proof just a point ati de muiganu wa kuhuranira giti gia presidency na ni de muiganu wa kuhurana na Uhuru for example na aria angi marenda iti cia presidency na njiremo ya kwa chief uguo ni kuheo certificate ni IEBC uguo kuringana na maoni makwa hari aria mararikiria wira kunengerwo certificate yo ni IEBC to no ngiro ingi matire na capacity ya guthiuruka bururi yo magika siasa na angi clear ni maramenya andu aria maracindanira giti giki ni andu eri ona tete makiuga gati ni maramenya no macinde kuu ni kuga no mundu thiini wake ni akoragwo akimenya haha wira uyu ni muritaritu makiria no riria anyita certificate iyo ni ingira mafuku-ini ni ingira history-ini ya Kenya na mafuku-ini ma bũrũri na history ya Kenya ni kauga ati mwaka wa 2017 aonani liturwa a presidency mari aya agikenda hihi gwandika CV yake kana memo ya ciake kana uria mundu andika maundu make kana ni agacoka na ni akauga ati ni ari presidential candidate wa bũrũri wa Kenya mwaka muna na tutigakorwo tukirora ithuĩ turarora ati kwina horses igiri no andu aria magathomaga history makonaga ritwa riu na makona uyu ni mundu wari na responsibility nditu wamunagira bũrũri uyu gite kia president
haina mwanake Michael urari shuhure kuma Anniversary Towers kana KCC that tu maratathi make na maratathi make kurego na gochani aikirio kono
attempted murder is crime, yes. Attempted suicide.
Leo ndo tole moja total Michael na jogu farua na kordeino wana mundu ureka menyonyo na maidi amona nikigeke kirahaga uguruki hidina ya siasa ati ukona andu we na mundu nyonaga mwana wa NASA mundu witu agane support wa Raila Odinga aturaga akuite nyamu ihana mashugwa nikigeke giokaga ati gukanta ari uguruki itari nikigigithia na mbere jogu farua tondu wendo wake makamuno nyorogire wa biona
na jirongo letuona ni akinya nikuneana riu arenda kuneana indo ciake Cyrus Jirongo kineane maratathi make niguo kuonekane kana ni akinyite no ni tukorwo tugithie na nako hihi otoro kuragio ni ndiritu niki kijitaga andu tondu anakorwo maundu-ini maya ma siasa ri niki taru ukirorera andu uria marasuhirira ngari kuria angi magika mitugo ingi pani me nduthi iguru niki undu kiriku kiu gikoragwo githie through
ni ari ni mukenaga riu tacio riu athamaki matirakena muno makiona subject magika menyonyo menyonyo
adame riu ndirakuga ati andu aya ma supporters ni andu very interesting wanagosi anona kindu gitwa football kundu Manchester United for example githaka na Chelsea uko na mundu areuraga Kenya to timu yake ya goto
ya muvira
aruga timu yake na timu ya Ruraya
ona damioe
na mundu akwa no wa Kenya gwito ndirahetuka musakuni na ukitea Nairobi no kona biu neruta muoyo ndio wa timu iriko ndio timu yake no githie kundu irabuni mundu yule wa derito tu tukanywa mwe tondu arma thakira home ground
ati
home ground
ni home pub tu home pub tukamerore umuthe twameka ati
ni ndo they believe in their football team iona guku thini wa siasa hii kuri andu oria muteti arugamaga ni ndo conviction ati neresia no ahote na no ateithie wanakuwa fans supporters mako made that craze ya mundu is called a crush on a leader wa muni aguruka
nitore mundu nitore kimwana
ni ino
kienda muiretu
exactly kaudu takau
wendo tocio
for example let me tell you something so that you get maundu maingi tauri dia horo di muni andu wakwa tukwe tunao siasa na ningi makajire mudhamaki tondu ndo kirifwe tukugera njireriko
Duranta maendo higura mukawa mali
ati mukawa politically maji wetu tuna choice ino neno uratu direct mweno uriko
ukamena ata
na ndo makajira ati ile tekalishia sasa tuele tatuele because they believe in you you wanna mena viki yo ita ni fanatics asonko kana president kana modongi na dogi maruta hau au hagina wana motetinake ni atha ku identify fanatics akama ikyo kanyamu
kula ando akunduka nyamu
gari degita vetoro wetu ari horo ama no geikiro vetoro akalingo iruri
akahoyo
ni wana ekinya town nda menya ekinya Donholm ekoro kwa dani makinyomi
eso kamago
akenda kanyamu kuone ukothiaga ande maka me either maka but for you to do this
ero ni strategy
no ginyoko wetekitira mundu ucio
no ginyokoro wete
ona iruri ni secondary ndi mundu wetekitie atoke akando iruri akwari monta muruki
ona machine yatukaga
machine yatukaga
tumia maumirite ugatira muthuri
karo masro ni dzire maikore niguo mundu akudo kana thesho kituri itikuonania ni poverty ati kugiaga thina andu mehuni
taru no na bisheno haha ino haha
nena bika bwino kana ki
andu aya tigali uyo ithutha ucio woya guoko ri asuhiriire ngari ya Citizen
uyo ne ngari ne itu
uyo ngari ne itu ino uyo no na uenda kumenya kana kurani kana koroka atia
na ogimu ikia jawa no mamethukie
na riu ri giki koragwo giki itondu na noega itanacoka kuri mwarimu wa Kirijayemwe na Njogu Barua ati maiko gakora thutha wa kambeni kuna ciana wa mbere kinya cia ciaro isaidi no akihiko michine atukire mundu urare wa kanitha mutumia ni athamire riu giki no mwire ndo ati kwina muturire thutha wa mweri 8
riu adigio mbere ya igajoke huni atiri riu for example thino wa siasa andu amara support andu aya ni manesi riu wana mundu ya shida
makona kitu
tatizo ngudu ya serikali ni riu maragitira kila maria kagatia ika access kwa gwe mundu sonko kwa jeri wewe magitigia senator athikia governor ayana kahio ni mesha maisha mano yekatia kimatuka better for his Maslow hierarchy of needs comes in mundu ima from this level to another level
no mo kwa matakamu na handu kana mundu ahona kani
magika muone makwa na munyaka ono bigwira ni munyaka kumona tondu ona uko hana te do satisfied wote for example what you made hivi kuri ando matoi gusinda ni kugate mete kite gusinda ni kunyururia ando magwa ate tariwe mundu anyunya agwire riu ya itonyu yinwa nyinda ni kuri andi kuri ishagine ukego mundu
na ngombe yake dina shiara
at advantage after some time ukona kile muraro agani tuhu tuge for example mundu aroka mugeni tuge tagetikia buge andu ingi maroreta CDF na madirame na CDF ni milioni 81 paia kile mutaredia milioni 81 sandra yana ngabasari milioni 24
out of 81
yes I give 34 million niwo wajiko ayo kanyamu atidikeke mwana wake bukuru ondoruta itawana kuma wetu adivoja ati gasiga de kane sigitadi kanyamu takawe
sero sigiste
biro sigiste
50 na chone chia weka
ojo kiorita 50 kedo sigiste odo si administration
ni percentage yako idano kana igiri
2.5 tu yiwo kedo milioni idana tu wando kete tolorete 40 report yo no muika maendeleo nayo na ndio ndo yamarorete ndiba kona mheshimiwa kamwero uko budget base yake ya maendeleo
mheshimiwa Barua Kenyabe kutini hanini tabe tudikiririe uria Njirogwa rero kuria ni akenya na maratathi make
you and your running mate have assigned a code of conduct. We expect that you will keep within the guidelines and the regulations within the code of conduct. The Commission will not hesitate to take action against any candidate or party that breaches the code of conduct. You remember your party also signed the code of conduct. We want you to maintain peace as you campaign, and as a Commission, on our part we shall do what it takes to give Kenyans a free, fair and credible election. So you also do your part of ensuring that you campaign peacefully. So I want to say congratulations once again, and we are waiting for the sample ballot paper which we shall be printing out shortly. But in the meantime, I want to present your certificate to you, and this is your receipt, and this is your certificate of nomination to contest the presidency. Thank you very much.
Yeah, could you look there, sir? Thank you.
You may say a few words to your people, 1 or 2 minutes.
Really, just to thank the Commission.
was mine.
Let me take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Chairman, and your commission. I also want to thank the media supporters. We are quite confident that this commission will deliver a credible election. And on our part, we promise to play the game by the rules. I've been in politics for quite a while. We know what it takes. We appreciate peace. We want a peaceful country. Some of you people I've met in various places. Ambassador, I met you before. You're a credible man. The chairman, fortunately we shared a college at one time. These are credible people, and I'm sure, and I can assure Kenyans, they're dealing with a quite a dignified group, and they deliver a good and a credible election. Thank you so much. God bless.
So there is a sample ballot paper which will be provided to you later. I think it's not ready. Yeah, but your arrangements will be made for you to sign it.
Thank you so much.
And just to remind you that we expect you to give us your campaign schedule so that we can harmonize with the other aspirants. I mean other candidates. So. All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Well, you know. Best of luck.
muhaneri gituro kia president na kiama kia UDP niwe Cyrus Jirongo ni alikia kuhitukio ni kamiti ya IBC itagule timu wa Fulete Bukati na keheo rudha ni commission ina iduna na mehaka nugelo nake akihuranira gituro yake kia o president ali na kiama kia UDP ikatukiyo maoni make rudha wake na kuhitukio ni commission ina.
So what does this milestone mean for you?
First of all, thank you very much. We are ready. We've been cleared. The next step is to hit the road running. We know we have what it takes, and we can assure Kenyans we'll carry out an extremely peaceful campaign. All of us belong to this country. All of us need it. Secondly, we know we will offer leadership that meets the expectations of Kenyans. We know the many problems the country is going through, and in a very short while, most of you will realize that we actually mean very serious business. So we'll be meeting you as we campaign. We are clear on where we want this country to go. We are clear and understand the problems our country faces. We have the energy, we have the capacity, both intellectual capability and the wisdom to manage a great republic called Kenya. We will strive our best. We understand the biggest asset this country has, it is people. The Kenyan people are the greatest. One of our key issues is to try and return this country to its rightful owners, who are the Kenyans. We want to appreciate those that we have worked with, and we want to appreciate you, friends in the media, and we will continue working with you. Thank you. By this weekend, we'll be up and running. Yes.
People want to know exactly which region or which direction to wait for you.
First of all, you need to go and get the blessings from where you are born. Then you take on the rest of the country. So I'll be hitting Western Province shortly. and then come out, go to my running next place.
Ni Cyrus Jirogo ni anegera na maratathi make na nimetikirwo ni IEBC ati maundu mothe maria makoretwo makiendekana ni ahitukitie we na running mate wake. Twabe tuthie down home hanini kuria turona mwathe president nikuo ari tuigue kuna kukurambia atia.
Asanteni sana. Nairobi oye! Dodoma oye! Jubilee oye! Asanteni sana. Wenzetu tuwashukuru sana vile mmetukaribisha. Tuwasema asante sana. Ikiwa leo ni siku muhimu, tukiwa tunaandamana na ndugu yangu William Ruto, tukielekea kupeleka makaratasi yetu kule kwa IEBC